Alright, in this video, I'm breaking down the 20 best tool deals on Amazon Black Friday 2025, featuring some seriously solid discounts live right now. And trust me, some of these drops hit over 45% off, which I'll get into in just a moment. Every discount link is already added in the description, and if you're watching on TV, you can scan the QR code on screen to check out the deals instantly. So let's start with, now the Dremel Flex Shaft Attachment lands at $19 with a sharp 46% cut. The flexible 36-inch cable gives better reach for engraving, polishing, and carving, and the Comfort Grip makes detail work easier. A handy pick for anyone wanting smoother precision on metal, wood, or jewelry projects. Next up, this endoscope camera comes in at $28 after a clean 44% markdown. The 4.3-inch IPS display, 1080p clarity, and 8 adjustable LEDs help you see into tight spots, and the 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable improves control. A practical tool for users needing quick inspection for pipes, engines, or home repairs. Moving on, the Fantic F2 mini rotary tool drops to $56 with a solid 41% discount. The Neo Pulse motor delivers up to 25,000 RPM, and the 5 speed settings make it versatile for sanding, drilling, and carving. A compact choice for makers wanting smoother control and fast adjustments across DIY projects. Now, the Fantic E1 Max electric screwdriver hits $42 after a strong 40% price cut. With 50 magnetic bits, steady torque, and a clean storage case, it streamlines repairs on phones, laptops, and small electronics. A reliable option for users wanting quicker precision work without hand fatigue. Finally, the Craftsman V20 tire inflator sits at $63 with a clear 36% drop. It supports cordless, 120-volt, and 12-volt setups, and the digital gauge helps keep weavings accurate. A great pick for drivers wanting a versatile pump ready for home, garage, or roadside use. Now, this 66-piece magnetic screwdriver set lands at $30 with a solid 35% cut. The S2 alloy steel bits improve durability, and the included minis handle precision work with ease. A dependable tip for users wanting a compact, organized set for household fixes and small repairs. Next up, the Workits Zip Snip cordless scissors sit at $30 after a clean 33% drop. The 4V motor powers through cardboard, fabric, and packaging, and the safety blades add controlled cutting. A simple tool for anyone wanting faster box breakdowns and easy craft trimming. Moving on, the VibeLite magnetic flashlight drops to $14 with a 32% markdown. Its extendable neck and pickup magnet help retrieve screws and small metal parts, while the LED beam brightens tight spaces. A clever pick for users wanting a handy helper for car repairs or nighttime fixes. Now, the Agofine 46-piece socket and ratchet set hits $14 after a strong 31% cut. With metric bits, a smooth turning ratchet, and a compact storage case, it covers quick automotive and home tasks. A budget-friendly set for anyone wanting essential tools ready on hand. Finally, the DeWalt 20-volt max reciprocating saw lands at $109 with a clean 31% drop. The 3000 SPM performance and variable trigger make cuts smooth, and the compact design boosts maneuverability. A solid choice for users wanting dependable cutting power for demolition or backyard projects. Quick heads up, a few of these discounts are already selling out fast, so I've added all the links in the description, and if you're on TV, just scan the QR code to jump in.
Now, the GearWinch 65-piece impact socket set comes in at $165 with a strong 29% cut. The mix of standard and deep SAE/millimeter sockets boosts versatility, and the heavy-duty build handles high-torque tools with ease. A solid pick for mechanics wanting reliable grip and a full range of sizes for tough jobs. Next up, the Dremel 4300 rotary kit lands at $95 after a clean 26% drop. The LED lit head improves visibility, and the 40 included accessories cover carving, cutting, sanding, and engraving. A great option for DIYers wanting smoother control and a tool set that adapts to tons of creative tasks. Moving on, the DeWalt sliding miter saw hits $499 with a firm 25% discount. The 12-inch blade, smooth bevel system, and precise cutting guides help deliver accurate trims for framing and woodworking. A dependable choice for users wanting pro-level cuts with steady power and clean finish quality. Now, the DeWalt 20V Max Impact Wrench Combo drops to $299 with a clear 23% cut. The mid-range half-inch and compact 3/8-inch drivers offer strong torque and better reach, and the 5Ah battery keeps running longer. Ideal for mechanics wanting fast bolt removal and dependable cordless strength. Finally, the GearWinch 209-piece master socket set sits at $479 with a solid 20% markdown. With a full SAE metric range and multiple drive sizes, it streamlines everything from automotive work to shop repairs. A complete solution for users wanting a long-lasting set that stays organized and ready. Just a reminder, some of these Black Friday prices change without warning, so I dropped out the links below. Watching on TV? Scan the QR to open the deals instantly. Now the Wolfbox MF50 Air Duster hits $32 after a clean 20% price drop. The 110,000 RPM power and 3 speed modes blows our dust from keyboards, PCs, and cars easily. A greener pick for users wanting strong cleaning without relying on disposable cans. Next up, this chicken shredder tool lands at $16 with a smooth 20% cut. The twist-out Divine breaks down chicken, pork, and beef quickly, and the anti-slip grip keeps everything stable. A handy kitchen helper for users wanting faster prep without the mess of traditional shredding. Moving on, the DeWalt 20V drill and driver kit is priced at $149 after a 17% markdown. With 2 batteries included, it offers strong torque, quick bit changes, and dependable runtime. A practical starter kit for homeowners wanting reliable cordless power for everyday tasks. Now the DeWalt 168-piece mechanic tool set comes in at $132 with a clean 17% discount. It includes sockets, hex keys, and specialty tools in a sturdy case, making repairs smoother and more organized. A great pick for users wanting a complete setup ready for automotive and home fixes. Finally, the WorkPro 7-piece plier set drops to $17 with a 15% cut. It covers long nose, diagonal, groove joint, and more, giving you the essentials for wiring and household repairs. A useful, budget-friendly kit for anyone wanting reliable grip and everyday versatility. So that wraps up the 20 best tool deals on Amazon Black Friday 2025. But I found a few more hot deals that are closing soon, and I've covered them in another video. Click here to watch it next.